Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to start a Honda Civic with a remote. Remote starting your Honda Civic is a convenient feature, especially on cold mornings or hot afternoons. First, make sure your vehicle is securely locked. This is a crucial safety step before initiating the remote start sequence. The system is designed to operate within a range of approximately 100 feet, offering flexibility. Also, confirm your car is in park for the system to engage properly. To activate the remote start, begin by pressing the lock button on your key fob a single time. This action prepares the system for the next step. Then, within about 5 seconds of pressing the lock button, locate and press the remote start button. This button often has a circular arrow icon. Hold this button down for at least 2 seconds. You will see the parking lights flash, indicating the engine has successfully started and is running. Once your Honda Civic has successfully remote started, the parking lights will illuminate and remain on. This visual cue confirms that the engine is running. The engine will operate for a duration of 10 minutes per remote start cycle. If you need more time, you can extend this period. Simply repeat the entire remote start process one more time, which will add another 10 minutes to the run time, totaling 20 minutes. When you are ready to enter your remote-started Honda Civic, first use your key fob to unlock the doors. This will allow you to safely access the vehicle. Once inside, insert your physical key into the ignition. Turn the key to the on position, but do not turn it to start again, as the engine is already running. Finally, press the brake pedal. This action will disengage the remote start system, transferring control to the ignition key, and you are ready to drive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.